I wanted to talk briefly just about channels and how we draw them, what we look for with channels. So how do we draw channels? Well, if we're drawing an up channel, then it's real simple. We just want to start from the lowest wick, and we want to connect our line with the bar bodies. So this body, and that is going to give us our channel. Sometimes you'll have little overshoots like this. This is mostly wick. Most of the time when this happens, it'll be wick. But we know that this is correct because we can connect the wick with two different bar bodies. So we know that this is the channel line right here. Now, whenever we draw a bull channel like this, we want to first start with a bottom line. Bottom line is the important line. If we know that the market's going up, we're not looking for short entries. This top line here, its position matters, but it doesn't matter as much, right? It could be here, it could be here. It could even be there if you really wanted it to be. We get the idea. We know about the location where we're going to look to take profits at. What we're most interested in is this bottom line, because this bottom channel line is going to tell us where to take a position at. Now let's just say that we have to draw a bear channel here. Well, if we draw a bear channel, we want to start with the top line. From the wick to the bodies, and channel. Now I have my data paused right now, but you can see that this channel is expanding. Something else you can tell is that it's finding support and resistance at about where its midline would be. So we're real close to the midline. And channels do have midlines as well as ranges. This one has a midline. However, with that being said, the midline is not useful most of the time to us. Most of the time, it's just not acting as support or resistance enough times for us to use it. We will on occasion, but for the most part, you can just go ahead and delete them. Now, remember, top to bottom on bear channels, bottom to top on bull channels. Let's try to find some more examples here. Here's a bull channel. Take it from the wick to the bar body, and this is our bull channel. We have a bear channel, top to bottom, wick to body, bear channel, bull channel, and bear channel. We can do this over and over and over again for all of eternity. The market moves in channels. There are channels everywhere. Something else to keep in mind about these channels is that the channels expand. So as we're going about our day and we see a channel, and we say, okay, this is the channel here. That's the channel. But as the market continues on, we begin to range. This is a very common pattern here. Channel, range, new low. It's a bit of a rough range. You can say the range is here, you could say the range is here. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to say the range is here. channel, range, new low. Well, what happens to our channel then? Well, we have to go back and we have to redraw it. And now this becomes our channel. As we go along, we have another small range. Adjust the channel. This becomes our new channel. As we go along, we see a bigger range. Adjust the channel. And there we go. Now what do we want to look for in these channels? We want to look for second entries. Now by drawing the channel and finding it, we have effectively found a key entry point. This is a place where we can find that there's likely to be a set of buyers or a set of sellers. And it's likely to be a fair bit of them in any location. Now that we've identified these, all we need is simply just a signal to enter. So we look for second entries, first entry short here, second entry short here, at the channel line. And as you can see, had a nice trade in there. Another push up and range. What do? We come back. We adjust our channel lines. And we have a new channel. And this will continue to be our new channel until the market reverses. And then we can go along and make other channels.